Cipla reported a more mixed set of first quarter numbers. Profits were marginally below expectations. Sales fell short of expectations by nearly 300 crore rupees. Margins were on the money at 17%. Now, it was not the earnings but the succession planning at Cipla that caught the eye of investors. Samina Vaziralli has been promoted and the pharma major will have a new CEO. Archana Shukla is here with the top 5 highlights. Archana, take us through all the management commentary and the changes.
Well, the biggest takeaway is that the much-discussed succession planning at Cipla is largely over. Exiting MD and CEO Subhanu Saxena said that this was one of the goals that was outlined for him when he joined. So after multiple management changes over the last 2 years, succession is now in place, with Samina Vaziralli from the promoter family taking over as Executive Vice Chairman of the company, and Umang Vora taking over as MD and CEO. Kedar Upadhyay was recently appointed as Global CFO. Second takeaway, Samina Vaziralli, who's daughter of Executive Vice Chairman Mgmt Hamid, ruled out any possibility of a sale of the company. Again, she said that the family's presence in the management and on Cipla board, and now her appointment as Vice Chairman, clearly shows that the promoter family's long-term commitment to the business. This would work as a confidence-building measure. Thirdly, with the new management comes structural changes. So while under Subhanu Saxena, Cipla focused on expanding global footprint, the newer management is nimble. Cipla is now becoming more selective in markets and has already downsized its operations in nearly 30 emerging market countries, downsized and restructured its operations also in the European market, and has changed its strategy to partner now with larger players instead of its own front end in those markets. Fourth, the company has indicated a better quality of earnings from the US market next quarter onwards, with InvaGen product launches adding to the numbers. Fifth and the last one is that the R&D expenses will be on a rise. This quarter, it stood at 7% of sales. However, the company says it will still maintain its guided margin expansion to be between 15 to 18% for this fiscal. Back to you.